So guys, we are coming in this beautiful road with excellent tarmac and everything, but when we reach this bridge, some pieces of the bridge are missing. So guys, as I mentioned earlier, we were coming up from the ocean on this beautiful road, following the river, and we reached this bridge which we need to cross, but it hasn't been renovated ever, and there are a few meters of
planks.
Yes, planks are missing. Luckily we find here some old crack planks, and we are going to rebuild this bridge, and then we will try to cross it. Buenos días. ¿Ha necesitado su?
Vamos, amigo.
We are almost done with the construction. Let's go, Gabi, let's go.
Slowly, slowly, Attis.
I think it's enough. Just put it down over there.
I will drop it.
Good, drop
Done.
it. The bridge construction is finished. We placed those cracked planks which we find over here. I have no idea if they're gonna hold the weight of the bike and myself when I will cross, or I will just fall straight in the river. I have no idea, but I'm about to find out. God help me!